To easily find an email, you want to use this search bar at the top of your Gmail. So you can go through and you can search for the name of somebody. You can search for a date, a text that's in the name, the subject, or the body, and if it has an attachment. If you click this button over here, show search options, go ahead and click that, and you could say in there, from a certain person to a certain person. The subject has the words, doesn't have the words, so this is going to look through everything. You can set up a time, so maybe you want to do date within 3 days of whatever date you're looking for. You're saying from Monday, and you can search within different mailboxes or labels. You can also put on there if you have an attachment. So if you want to go through and find anything that has the subject meeting, you'll go through and you'll click on that, and then you'll click on search, and you'll be able to find it a lot easier.